Across farms, hillsides, and degraded landscapes, trees help restore soils, support biodiversity, and strengthen ecosystems. Every one of these trees begins with a seed. The quality of that seed and how it is collected shapes the success of ecological restoration. Good seed collection begins with choosing the right trees. Collectors look for healthy, mature mother trees with strong growth and no signs of pest damage or disease. Seeds from weak or damaged trees are more likely to produce weak, poor quality seedlings. Selecting healthy trees helps ensure the next generation is well adapted to local conditions and contributes to ecological recovery. Trees in natural populations are not all the same. Some grow faster, some tolerate drought better, and others resist pests or disease. To capture this diversity, seeds are collected from many trees across the landscape, not just from one or two individuals. This helps maintain the genetic variation that restored landscapes need to adapt to changing climates and environmental stress. Seeds should be collected only when fruits are fully mature. Changes in color, firmness, or natural seed drop can signal when seeds are ready. Immature seeds often fail to germinate or produce weak seedlings. Careful observation helps ensure stronger planting material for restoration. Seeds are living material and must be handled with care. After collection, they can deteriorate if crushed, overheated, or exposed to moisture. Seeds may also be damaged by insects or infected fungi. Keeping seeds clean, dry, and protected helps maintain their ability to germinate. Collectors record the species, location, and date of collection so each seed batch can be traced and used appropriately. These careful considerations during seed collections help determine which trees will grow in the years to come. Successful ecological restoration does not begin when a tree is planted. It begins while seeds are being collected.